Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Quick guide to booking JoyRide Parcel and delivery service. So here, to do that, to um, to book a delivery or a parcel, all we need to do is just click on more. Or you can just click on delivery if it's if you want. If it's much more quicker. The delivery option here, I think they can deliver anything, but yeah. Or you can click on more. So here at more, we have logistics. So here at logistics, we have a lot of options. We have happy move, we have pabili, pabili, and delivery. So at delivery, here mentions documents, parcel, and other items. Happy move is a multi-stop. So it means it has multiple stops. There you go. Here, as you can see, it's the insulted bag, get faster drive matching required, blah 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 blah. There you go. And we need to put the items description, and it's like, for example, multi-stop deliveries. It's mean, for example, you have two deliveries at one joyride. So all you need to do is schedule one. You don't have to book two different deliveries, and it will make it much more cheap when you're gonna do that. So you're gonna save some money. So next, right here is the pabili. Pabili is like um, you have a limit on how much you can spend. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, and they will be the one who will pay for it. But when it arrives there, you'll be the one who will pay for it. Yeah, I think the limit here is 2,000 pesos. So at least you need at least the order that you're gonna do is at least estimated 2,000 pesos, because here at Pabili, it's like the driver will pay for it. After the driver will pay for it, you will pay the driver the amount that the driver paid for the parcel or food or anything that is worth 2,000 pesos. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, that's about it. So those are the three delivery options for parcel and delivery. So the delivery, documents, parcel, and other items. Schedule multiple deliveries, a lot of deliveries, and buy for me errand service, which is on the best of my knowledge is 2,000 pesos for 2,000 pesos that the driver will that you have 2,000 pesos limit that the driver will pay for the item. So yeah, there you go, guys. We guys, if you hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions, you can type in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.